Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use text templates and how to edit them. In the top left corner, select the text tab. Here, select text template. And here you're greeted with many different categories of templates. The first section is the trending section, where you can find the current most popular templates around the world. There is thousands and thousands of different templates, and I can't go through every one of them in this video. So find a category that fits your needs, and when you find a template that you want to use, select it, and when it's downloaded, drag it over to your timeline. As you can see, there are two paragraphs here, and I can edit both of them. Here, where it says question here, I'm going to write something different. Here, I can also change it as well. If I want more control over the paragraphs, I can press this down arrow here, and here I can change any of the settings that I want. Now, I have a whole video dedicated just to text settings, so if you want to learn more about that, go watch that video. And when you're ready typing your text, that's it. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.